Let's dive into the art of making the perfect guacamole. Start by halving and pitting the ripe avocados. Scoop out the flesh into a mortar or a mixing bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste, and start mashing the avocados until you achieve your desired consistency. Next, add finely diced tomato, diced onion, diced serrano and chopped cilantro to the mashed avocados. Mix everything together until well combined, and taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve the guacamole immediately with tortilla chips or use it as a topping for your favorite dishes. Enjoy!